Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today's session I am going to discuss about types of delay model. So this topic comes under Verilog HDL. So what is delay? So delay in the sense time interval between input to output. So how much time it will take. So that's called as a delay. So this delay model is classified into three types. First one is distributed delay model, and second one lumped. Third one is pin to pin. So these are the three classifications of delay model. So this classification is based on applying the time delay. So in distributed delay model, you apply the time model for element. So each element you applying the time delay. But lumped delay model, the cumulative delay is applied in output of logic gate. So it's called as lumped. So next one, pin to pin. So what is pin to pin? So you assign the delay each input to output. So it's called as a pin to pin. So elaborate explanation we will discuss one by one. So first we discuss about distributed. So in this distributed delay model, so the delay is applied on per element. So in the logic circuit, multiple elements were used. Each element you assign the delay. So after the delay only, the gate is processed and release the output. Then second one, so individual element, so delay is applying the individual element. So example of distributed delay, so it's a one logic circuit. So in this logic circuit, how to apply the delay for individual element. So in this logical circuit, it is a 4 input logical circuit. You assign the input value A, B, C, D, and output is X. So X is the output, E and F is the internal net. So first you assign the delay for first element. So this first element delay is 5, and second element delay is 4, third element delay is 3. So after the delay only, the first element is releasing the output. So whenever changing the input value, the output value is changed after the delay value. So after 5 only, the first element is released the output value. For example, A and B values, both the values of 1. So this 1 is applied to input of first element. But the output is not immediately getting. So it will take some time. So it's a distributed delay. So after 5 only, the gate is releasing the output. So likewise, the second element also releasing the output after the specified delay. Third element also releasing the output after specified delay. So it's a simple logical circuit for distributed delay. So now I am going to write the Verilog HDL program for the specified logical circuit. As usual, first you write module, then module name is distributed, then you specify the port line. So here the output is X and input values is A, B, C, D. So first you write module, then module name, after that port line declaration. Now declare the output. So out X, then input value. So inputs of A, B, C, D. Then wire, declaration of internal net. So wire E, F. So after that you declare the element. So declare the element function. So first element is AND, pound symbol, within bracket 5. So this signal is indicate the first element delay. So after the delay only the element is releasing the output. So A1 for element 1. So element 1 name is A1. Output is E. Then input is A comma B. So now you declare the second element and pound symbol. The delay is 4. So after the delay only the output is released. A2, element name is A2. Output of the element is F. Input is C and D. Then third element and pound symbol. Delay is 3. Element name is A3. Output is X. Input is E and F. So all the elements declared in the program. So final statement is end module. So this is the distributed example circuit plus example program for distributed delay model. So distributed in the sense you assign the delay for each element individually. Then we go for lumped. So lumped in the sense delay is assigned per module. So then cumulative delay is applied output of the gate. Output of the gate. The cumulative delay of all the path is applied in the output of the gate. So it is called as a lump. So now I draw the example circuit for lumped delay model. The same circuit here also I am taken. Inputs are A, B, C, D and wire signal E and F. The output is X. Here the delay is 11. So cumulative delay of all the paths. So all the element is specified in output of logic gate. So output of the logic gate is specified all the delays. So it's a simple logical circuit. Now we go to write the Verilog program for lumped delay model. So first you write module, then module name is lump, then declaration of port, output is X, inputs are A, B, C, D. Then you declare the output and input. So output is X. Inputs are A, B, C, D. Then wire E, F. So after declaration of input, output and wire, now declare the gate operation and A1. So output is E, A, B. Then second element and A2, output of the second element is F. Inputs are C, D. Then third element, applying the cumulative delay. So add pound symbol 11, element name A3, output is X, inputs are E, F. So finally you can use end module. So after declaring all the element, you can mention the end module. So end module represent for end of the program. Then third one is pin to pin. So in this pin to pin, you assign the delay for each input and output. So each input and output path you assign the delay. So for example, I draw the logical circuit for pin to pin. Inputs are A, B, C, D. E and F is a wire. output is X. So declaration of delay A to E. So A to E, the delay value is 9. So input A to E, the delay value is 9. So after the delay 9 only, it releases the output. Then B to E. So B to E also 9. So both the input is process the logic gate. It releases the output after the time delay 9. Then C to F 11. D to F 11. So like this only you can assign the delay for pin-to-pin delay model. So this concept is very important because while you are writing the program, you assign the delay value for element or module or pin-to-pin. If you are understanding the concept very well, you can write the program very easy. So I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe and support us to make lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel.